Here's how to organize your space when multiple generations live under one roof. Drawers come in handy for items left over from that living room sleepover with grandma and the grandkids. Integrating a built-in packs unit doesn't take up much space and helps give all your items a home. When grandma isn't sleeping over, this solitary unit can be used to help declutter everyday items from your living space. Storage boxes within a drawer make putting things away quick and easy. When living in a multi-generational home, a pull-out sofa with storage built in is key. It makes the transition from sleep and back again seamless and keeps things tidy and organized. Try using storage bins for bulkier items like duvets or extra linens that can be easily tucked away. Using a sound-dampening blackout curtain gives grandma and other guests extra privacy. Plus, it'll block out any extra ambient light and sound. Using Bestow, it's easy to show how multifunctional open and closed storage can be. And parents can display valuable trinkets up high to keep small hands away, while kids have dedicated drawers at lower levels for safe access to toys and games.